Okay, it's the end of the day, and I got pretty far today. Calling it quits for this weekend. Usually get home kind of late during the week, so just gonna have to wait till next weekend. But I got far. I have this clamped in right now into place. I got a clamp here, over on this side. I got two underneath here, but as you can see, there's a little gap. Actually, really no gap because I just don't have a clamp right there. But it fits nice and tight. Nice and smooth transition between the two. And as you can see, the table saw is growing. But no, it's for my last video, what I did is I used my straight cutting template bit, and I used my template that I made here, and I drilled, used that to make my hole. I got these two here, which is going to be for underneath. I set that in place, and then I took my rabbiting router bit and I rabbited down just below a 1/4 inch, so that way I'll be able to use I have a 1/4 inch hardboard that I will cut perfect circles, and I'll make a bunch of extra ones just in case something happens. But what I'm going to do is probably drill and all the way through, right in the middle here, and there's still quite a bit. There's a 1/2 inch gap, lip right there. There's not going to be a lot of pressure or anything, going through any of this, so I'm not too worried about any of this breaking. I mean, if it does look like it's going to be a little weak, which I don't think it's going to be, I can always, and I still might. I might just glue up some hardwood underneath it, and just glue it up, and then I can retrim it and just have a little bit more beefiness to it. But I think I'll be fine. I'm going to drill probably four holes right here, and then on each side of that I will probably put leveling screws on each side, so that will be supported on both sides of the tightening screws here, or bolts. And on the back side I'll probably just countersink it a little bit and press in and glue in some nuts. And for the leveling screws, I'll probably just tap it, and that will hold as long as it goes all the way through. That'll hold good enough. I'm not going to be cinching it down at all, just enough so it stays in place and gets level. The main support's going to be right here, so I mean there's not going to be a lot of pressure on this. Nice thing is it's big enough for my panel bit. I don't do a lot of panels, but thinking ahead, I'll be able to make quite a few different inserts for it. I think it's going to be great. I mean, it's nice and nothing like a nice router table. I've never had one. Like I said, the only thing I ever had before was just one of them. It was just the Craftsman, but I didn't like the way it marred the wood, and there was just a lot of the fence wasn't good. And the nice thing is with this, I'll be able to bring my fence right over, line it right up. I can't go all the way over right now because I got my clamp, but I'm gonna have a nice parallel fence. If I would have made one that just kind of pushes in the corner, it's going to be big, bulky. At least this way I'll be able to put like some sort of box underneath it, tie in all my dust collection underneath, and make a box that fits underneath it here. But once I get it mounted, I'm probably going to run a couple more supports, glue them in, and be nice and sturdy. It'll sag perfectly straight. Very happy with it. So I'll keep you guys tuned, and next weekend we'll hopefully finish it up. Thanks for watching.